Hi, my name's Emma Hogan and I'm a coloured pencil artist, and I thought I'd quickly just show you how to remove paper when you get blocks. It's got glue all the way around the edges of the paper. I remember when I first got one of these, I kind of freaked out because I tried pulling it apart and the glue ripped the paper when I ripped the paper off. And because artist paper is really expensive, the last thing you want to do is rip the paper when you're getting it off. So every single pad like this that's glued should have on the edge, should have a bit that's not been glued. So in this case, it's this corner here. And I used to use a bread knife, like a rounded butter knife, first of all, until I started using one of these palette knives. So nice and thin, flexible, and it's got a rounded edge there. I've also done another video actually, open Lego boxes with this thing. This is my son always uses this to open his Lego boxes. So that's why I did the video. I thought it was quite amusing. So yeah, so you get it in the first corner here and you just lay it flat and just lightly bring it round. To the end. Keep going all the way around. Oh, it's a bit hard filming it, doing it, sorry. I'll just spin it, it's easier. And it just comes off really easily and you haven't ripped your paper. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.